How to unsync phone contacts on Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Your camera will open up. Now at the top left corner, you can find the avatar. Click on it. With that, you will land to your profile page. Now at the top right corner, you will find this settings icon. Click on it. You will land to the settings page. Over here, you're going to find different sections as my account, public profile settings, additional services, and many more. Under additional services, you will find the option of contacts. Open it. Now here you will see the option share contacts with Snapchat. Make sure you have toggle off for this option. Likewise, click on the option of remove sync contacts from Snapchat. Delete contacts data. By selecting confirm, you will delete all contacts and no longer sync contacts with your Snapchat. Are you sure? Click on confirm. With that, you have just unsync phone contacts on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.